That's not even... Oh, Garia. And Dannyville! We are live! We are live. Let me hold on for 2 seconds. I just need to check stuff. Di suonan iawn? Is the sound okay? Please say it is. Di suonan iawn? Is the sound okay? Cool. A croeso. Welcome pawb back to the Legacy. It's been a few weeks. Real life stuff happened. Pethau bywyd go iawn di digwydd. So I do apologise for that. Dwi ymddiheuro am hynna. The usual stuffs. Croeso pawb. Welcome if you're watching live. Sa chi'n gwylio yn fyw. A diolch i pawb sa chi'n croeso i'r VOD. Welcome to the VOD. I can't upload to YouTube sadly now. Bandwidth and internet. So this is streamed live. Mae'n cael ei ffwdio yn fyw. And it will be on as a VOD, and this is how I have to upload. Sorry, I just realised something. Ida's here. Is Ida outside? That is Ida. So I made Ida from Owl House. I should create Ida or Owl House. And they just loaded randomly into the build. That's cool. Okay. I've been building a lot of stuff off Oddi ar y Legacy. But I had lots of pethau oddi ar y Legacy, but that's... Well, I'll do build tour. I've just finished doing Tafel. Dwi'n newydd gorffen neud Tafel. So we might go there today because it's a lounge and it's up in the gallery board in fel Here's everything using Sims Gallery fel the Net Creative. So yeah, lots of stuff have happened. Built a few things, built a tiny home. Did add a tiny home about him. We're happy to do like a build tour. I'm going to try and get the build up soon. Cael yr adeiladau fyny. But I thought we could... So it's been a few weeks, so I had to refresh myself. So be digwyddodd tro dwytha oedd I believe dwi wedi anghofio enw be digwyddodd tro dwytha oedd I have forgotten your names. Wait. Nath Envis mynd ar date. Envis went on a date, got engaged. Died. Nath Sim4 marw. We've only got Hugo as one of the... So the OG Sims that started it, we've got Hugo in the house as the elder. Tipyn bach chaotic, it's a little bit chaotic, so fel in Sims hen, Hugo's in a tŷ. So I'm trying to refresh myself as well. We have Envis and Crystal's wedding planned today, and I have managed to change Plasaw into a wedding venue, so we're having it there. So I'm going to priodas Crystal a Envis heddiw. With 8, Kurt is an adult now, so I think we might get on to the second child already because we're going to be aging up Ceridwen. Fydd ni'n oedio fyny Ceridwen I toddler. So yeah, lots of pethau neud. We have lots of stuff to do, but yeah, I'm not gonna do a party for Ceridwen. I think we have enough stuff going on. I think I'm gonna try getting baby because Kurt is an adult and doesn't have long till an elder, and the whole thing of doing the Fibonacci legacy. So second the dal in against. There are some, if you haven't caught one before, there are playlist with it on. There are playlists with it on. Fibonacci number sequence goes 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 3. So you add it up. So I had twins before. So now the next generation has to be 3, the next generation has to be 5. So sut mae'r rhifau fibonacci yn mynd yw dim 1, 1, 2, 3, 5. So felly ni'n cael twins yn gynt, felly mae'r generation nesaf neu generation da ni'n dechrau wan anna'n cael 3 a wedyn fydd nhw anna'n cael 5 plant. So that's how the generation, and eventually there's going to be one generation we need 34, and I'll need to mentally prepare how to do that. May have to do like a 100 baby challenge thing. Actually, I don't know bath 100 baby challenge ar gyfer hwnna. Bydd hwnna yn problem ar gyfer yn y dyfodol. That's a problem for the future. So I think we might get them to have another baby, try and get another baby in the house. We do have enough Sims to look after them. Don't think it'll be super chaotic. Those were the modern chaotic. And then I think after when we got about a third, we'll move Maya and Kurt out. So mynd Maya Kurt allan to the house because it's easier to expand upon, and that will be the next legacy house. Lots of stuff, and then a little makeover for this for Envis and Crystal. They can live here, and then we can live down the road. A then ni'n mynd i symud lawr lôn. So yeah, I think what we're gonna need to start doing now. I just thought I'd get everybody sleeping to get like a neutral place to start, because my explainers there's a lot of Sims can be a little bit chaotic. It's cael pawb cysgu because chwarae a lot of Sims gallu bod dipyn bach chaotic. Sy'n fun. Enjoying it. Dwi'n enjoyo fo. Betty and I'm just going to get the knees ready because we're priodas ma'n 2 awr but then yn caca and we need a cake. So I'm going to get Kurt to cook that. You usually need to sleep, so we'll let you sleep through. Ti anna'n cysgu trwad. What are you going to need if you wake up? Bwyd, ma'n eiliad. What are you going to need if you wake up as well? Food, you need a pee as well. So we'll get that queued up here. I'm just going to make sure before the wedding everybody's needs are done. So, you know, anybody who needs a pee can get up. Since you are the wedding sim, let's get you to take a shower as well. Just make sure you're all good. How has everybody been keeping it? I hope everybody's been keeping well as well. It's going to be going. So, ti yna pee. Cael dipyn bach o bwyd. Just gotta have a quick meal. Just breath sydyn. I think we should be good. So yeah, dwi'n gwybod sut for the priodas. I don't know how the wedding's gonna go because of the simple fact that we still technically have a loss in the family. Da ni dal, nath Sim fi marw, so mae bod nhw dal yn trist. My Sim died, so they're all still, you know, mourning. So I have no idea. So we've got chocolate cake gyfer priodas. Ti di cael toilet? You're finishing up. I would, next house, I'm having more than one bathroom as well. Because it's just a little bit too chaotic. I'm gonna get you up to make a cake, because then you can go pee. Then you end. Hey Kurt, go to Adams. Yeah, go for it. I don't know if anything actually comes of that. Os o'r beth yn dod o fod a be. That. It's pawb yn cysgu. How's the baby doing? Baby's doing fine. I don't know if the babies, infants still have chdi priodas. What do you mean you can? Excuse me, what you doing? Okay, ti'n iawn. So, next person can go toilet. Be chdi, and then you don't need toilet so much. We're doing this in rotation. Okay. Then ti angen bwyd, then you need food, so you need toilet and food. You grab some quick meals because, you know, we'll clean out stuff in a second. Because, you know, Kat's using the thingy, Dad and Kakan doing cake for the wedding, which is like the most important thing right now. Can we just turn this off as well, actually? We do not need that on. So, Betty and 18 cowboyd. So in a second, once they've been, do I want to go to the event now? It's an hour before. We'll go in a second. I need to make sure we have the cake first. Make sure bunny fo cacan gynta. Pause. Rhaid an inventory chdi. Okay. Sorry. Chwarae fel lot o Sims weithio. Okay, so I stagger this. Ti'n neud hynna? You're good. Just ask your toilet and sydyn. Go to the loo quickly. Everybody's gone to the loo. It's the main thing. I think it'll be like a short wedding. Fydd o'n pawb yn y toilet. Dwi'n meddwl fydd o'n trio destun bach mwy gynt. Nope. Don't fydw i isio. A wedyn mewn eiliad, I think we are gonna go over there. Adael toilet, so Kurt needs to go toilet. It's like when you go on a trip with your family. Well, fan ti'n mynd ar trip efo teulu chdi. I've already gone to the loo because we're leaving the house, so you got everything. We're not stopping in the car on the way. So everybody gone to the loo. Ti'n pawb mynd i toilet. Dyn ddim yn stopio car. No, then you gadael. Not stopping once you stop. So I just want to make sure everything's that, and the event starts at 2, so we should have enough time. I think everybody's outfits to go on gwisg pawb yn iawn. I think everybody's outfits are good. So once you've been to the loo, we're gonna go to the event. I mean, you can be like just on time for your wedding, right? Ti'n gallu mynd fatha just ar amser ar gyfer dy priodas. I mean, they have had, they had a death in the family, so I think it's understandable. We need you. Let's just get everybody to come. I do need to find a way. Dwi eisiau ffeindio daganwaith ffordd o cael beddi pawb. I need to find like everybody's gravestones as well. It would be handy if you like so yeah, dwi'n neud Plas Owen is based on the Llandanwg church in near Harlech. This is available in gallery. Everything's available in gallery. Everything is base game. Bob dim dwi'n defnyddio'n build yma and let's play yma. Ar gael in the gallery. Everything I do in the let's play is available in the gallery. So mae'n di gael eisteddolig yn Capel Llandanwg and you're late for your wedding because of the travel thing. I wonder if it's easier just to go manage worlds. Oh no, is my game laggy? I have just downloaded Tafel and Cardiff Castle and through idiot. Tafel and Cardiff Castle. Then I need Capel Awen. Because then we have a bedd Cariad hefyd. We have Cariad's grave still, which we need to put down. Because I thought it'd be nice for them to have technically a wedding with the ghosts around. Carrie's ghost is floating around, so is the characters from Owl House. Mae ysbryd cariad yn fflotio gwmpas a pobl o Owl House. Owl House is an amazing show. Owl House yn sioe anhygoel. I love them. It's so good. The mor dda. Especially with like Gravity Falls and Amphibia. Gravity Falls and Amphibia get cancelled way too. The cael cancel rhy gynnar. Why is my game taking so long? I'm getting cymryd lot hirach and I'm a little bit worried by this. Let's start. Okay. Okay, so what is everybody's outfits we're gonna do? Okay, who am I playing as first? Sorry, Sims takes a little while. I think we do change outfit. Don't have a nice outfit. To me, about gwisg nice. I think this is more of a casual one. I mean, Crystal can still be in a dress, but I think Envis would be like. Can I? Some dress out. It's not dress out. Maybe is there a dress that I can do it in? No. Honestly, we just have big dresses today. I just want a nicer dress. Dwi eisiau gwisg neisiach. Okay. So you're all nice attire. My panty ddim yn rhywbeth neisiach. Why? Not something nice. I feel like that is a nice one, but I feel like maybe too small. Most formal thing you've got, you know. Put down. I've never had an infant at a wedding. Can I just put them down here? Because this is where everybody's gonna, you know. Put them down on the floor. Don't know. Dwi'm yn gwybod. So the arches, everything should work. So this is the message mae'r capel yn edrych. It's how it looks all together. I do need brain thing. Ymenydd meddwl. Where did I put that grave? Fama. Yes. You go in your slot. Cool. So that's my two OG Sims. That's to represent him, which is another OG Sims. I'm gonna i canol represent. I do not remember what this morning. It's another one of my OG Sims. This is where Hugo's gonna go. My Hugo mynd fanna hefyd. Captain Home is a wonderful streamer on Twitch and fellow friend. Wonderful streamer on Twitch and friend. So yeah. Okay, I think if we all go together here. Quick ceremony. And then we can do the after chat. So my friend got married in Capel Llanddannwg. One of my friends got married in Capel Llanddannwg. They have a wonderful band called Fire Island. It's so lovely. I need to talk to Abby and see this one. And they had like, it was so cute. It was very similar to this. And then debyg I hyn. Sut mae'n edrych. Just nice little low-key one. It was really cute. Okay, so then, why have you still not changed outfit? Okay, then. So lle mae, wait, lle ti? A ti'n cael cario? Okay, you were being carried, that's fine. I don't know if I need to gadael the baby tu allan. I thought we'd just left the baby outside. Let's get you to do that. Hopefully this should work. I got camera as well. So I want to try and get photos of everybody. So, wait, hold on. This should work. Ddylsa bob dim gweithio. Ah! Okay, I didn't think this through. Nani, dwi'n gofyn fforma. Can you turn it in? Can you please take a photo? Because this is the plan. Da ni yna'n sortio allan, allan. We need to sort of, well, I need to sort my pictures out as well. I don't know if it's like, I believe it's a mod, you know, because, because I've seen, oh, you got a good photo. This gallu, that is, I think it is a mod. Can I zoom in? Ah, sut ti'n zoomio on? Yeah, na ni. Mae'n bod dipyn bach. It's been a while since Sims. Hefyd, I think in the update maen nhw wedi cael gwarad o, no, it's not the best, but you know. Can you get a better picture now because you're sat down? Just a baby crying, babi yn crio yn y gefn. Honestly, it's about right for chaoticness. Mae just about iawn am y chaoticness. Dim quite well. It's not quite as good, but you know. I know in the latest update, in an update diweddar, they have also got rid of like having to cheat your Sims relationships, so falle ni
Lur vanu shoiba.
kind of stuff.
Oh bliss merge.
Lurvy.
Coffee.
Anarva. Capuna.
You're just talking, you're not actually watching this. Okay, in your head. This stuff happened in the background, and we're going to quite big with. Are you actually watching this? Wait, in your head. What happened there? Oh, okay. That's so weird. It feels like it's been forever since Mai has been romantic with a partner. Mai? Excuse me. This is your like sister's wedding. Hwnna di priodas chwaer chdi. Can you just hold off for like 2 seconds? Does the baby need something? Ydy babi yn rhywbeth? 'Cause I thought I got the needs. Yes. Why? Can you just watch? Please, can you just watch? There you go. It's cute. Mae'n cute ti'n trio siarad. But just watch this right now, please. Ti angen bwyd. Can we just...
Gongalaya. Rangoya umbix. Purple purpana.
We just do it for like a few minutes. So is the wedding over? Is it done? Routine. Yeah, no. Okay, hold on. You know. I think it's done. Okay. Don't fall asleep. Teen yawn. Feed the baby. Skinny bird. Do we have a table to put it on? Yes, we do. Because brain thought about it. Nath y menydd fi'n meddwl amdano. Let's put... yn y ganol. I'm gonna get you to feed the baby because they need to be fed. And then my little tea. Let them enjoy their little wedding day. You can be romantic later. You can woo or something in the tea. Don't put that, and then I think everybody go here together. Hugo Pan, Teen Drees because of death. You're sad because of death. That is fine. You're cute, but I think we have. Don't do sit-ups, Sims. Can you? Ti'n gallu torri caca naughty? Nah. I think you can like. You can actually chat. Feel like. Just gyfeiriad while Mike can do the wedding cake. So ti'n neud ti'n neud hynna, you're doing that. Why don't you actually, take photo. Tynnu llun. So, Mike, ti'n neud, okay, pause. You must be newlyweds. Excuse me? Ti yn newlyweds. Why are you saying you must be newlyweds to take the first slice? Oh, you know that's Monday time to So we have to cut the wedding cake a wedyn gewch chi siarad. You can talk. So Kurt is sorting Ceridwen out, and then Anyawan. Okay. Right, put us in because you're gonna get married and you're gonna go to work. And then pause it because we anach the don't chat, please. Kathleen, put us really sudden. You can only take a photo with one person, right? Do you want to get a in? Yeah, okay. Well, we're gonna have a quick one and we're gonna pictures later. Let me add an eiliad. Okay. Ti'n gallu tynnu llun? I thought it'd be cute. I know about pan ti'n torri cacan. I thought when you cut the cake, both of them did it. Mae'n gorau lle bod we will actually get a photo of Hugo. Nope. Because you're gonna die soon. It's the truth, the nicest way. Oh, you're a ghost. Really awkward angle. But it's fine. Os mae gwaith ar gyfer Enwys for an hour, work is in Enwys for an hour. Kurt has got baby. I'm assuming please say you got baby. Yeah, you good. That's really cute. Oh, Hannah Dan, they're sharing a piece. Mike, can you take a photo? Are you gonna like actually, can you take a photo, Mike? Man, really cute. A little cute photo. A Kurt, Ceridwen, because that would be really cute. Cause this is why dyma pa am un o'r thing o legacy vid. Trying to take pictures of like I think memories and stuff to last. Ah, that's really cute. Okay, so ddim yn quite llun o enwys y crystal, but I think it's really cute. Yeah.
Oh, Danda.
Sabavinooch.
And can you take another photo? On their own. Because I want to say it's mod. We should have bought a mod. Do credit my mod, where you can you know, honestly, that red dress is stunning and kind of fits in so well with the. No, technically my OG Sims are in the picture as well because of the greys. Technically because of Bezzy, my OG Sims are in the picture as well. Let me get a picture of the cemetery because that's actually a really nice photo. It's really pretty. Rana? But I don't know, what is that building there? The other down just the street. What is that building across the road? I don't remember building that. Oh, Goth's house. So yeah, that's it. Fits in well though. Okay, I think it's been a good protest. It's been a good wedding. I think we, you know, end early. Got fun gunner.
Bahana? Ulog.
And then we figure out everybody's needs. I need to do Anankalchti. We need to move Crystal in, then move Crystal down, and we're gonna have more Sims. That's fun. So I can move you into my household now, right? Any of that. Actions. City need, how do you move them into your... You're married, so dylsach chdi dod. Did it glitch out? Ti yn fawr. Cool, ti'n mynd i gweithio. Nes ti cael priodi a ti'n mynd i gweithio. Crystal can... You know that. Split from household and move. Nah, dwi'n sure na. I need to move into my household. Because, yeah, then need to priodas. I think, so ti'n mynd i gwaith. Oh, okay, that's the wrong one. A bit on pop out, like, what do I need to do with everybody else? Team member gwaith was the baby. How about we all just go home and I can just chill out? Well, into the FN. So team gwaith. So Crystal is part of the family now? Ella this one, John. There isn't a bin for them to put anything. Is that bin, my man? You sure it's bin? I did, Declan. The travel with and coming really here. The travel with does take you a while. So yeah, so it might be a bit of a shorter one. And we're going to get them to try for baby again. So we've got the second one. We're going to age Envis up maybe today, because Hannah's could run up, because I think honestly it'd be easier. Yeah. Might be easy. Dwi'n gwybod exactly oed nhw fyny. I know I can age them up tomorrow. I honestly think it might just be easy to age them up today. Don't know what to do, Bernard. It's been a lot of stuff happening. Mae'n mynd fatha o distaw, it goes from like quiet to just everything. Really mynd o distaw I chaos. From quiet to chaos. Especially with more Sims. Especially with more Sims. I don't know why Crystal isn't in my household yet. If I can, I want to keep Envis in this house. I don't really know. In India.
Dorna.
So say hi to your auntie, Gerdwen. Actions. Pam dwi'n gallu... You're not in my household. Ti ddim in my household, ond ti yma, and I have no idea what, like... Do you know Simology? Is the Simology broken? She's married, but it's not... Oh. We'll play this along. After I've aged Envis up and done that, os dwi'n mynd I safio fo, I'm just going to reboot it, see maybe it's not done it. Let's just ddim wedi gwneud o. Because that is glitchy. Hold, yes, but what does the baby need after? Ti anna'n cysgu. Okay, so wedyn mae, you can put the baby here. Put the baby mama. Play lullaby, and we will. When we sortio allan pawb arall then. I think everybody else is kind of okay.
Plus a May?
Don't put down. I don't know why they seem to just want to put the kids down. I really don't know why. Okay. Cool. Man, clever. I've introduced you, yeah, already.
Zorbi, where basuk? Alubar nubu.
There's a weird glitch where they just hold them for ages as well.
Wow, Renee.
Excuse me, why can't I pick you up? Okay, so you're sleepy. Can I... Can you, like, pick me up? There is a thing that's, like, so weird that, like, you know... Pan dwi'm yn gweithio, just get, like, carried here. let's see if this will work. Gweithio. If it doesn't work, os dim yn gweithio, sometimes if you do it with the baby, if you do it with the infant or the toddler, they'll overwrite it because they'll just hold them forever. Like, are you putting? Do you know what? That's fine. Betty Ned, what is happening? Ah, okay, in alien. Chaos has started already. Don't do that, in alien. Don't do that. Pay attention to that. Tiana and Trusha, you need to fix this because somebody's broken this. No, what's broken? Toilet, Dimale? Yeah, toilet. Repair. Mop. Okay, ti'n rhaid fi gwely ma'n iawn. Bela goth go. Okay. Cool. Honestly, it might be easier than Helsach. He just video. So I think the next big thing we've got is we have got Corridor and aging up. Oh, and this is gonna be an adult then. Okay, they need to be an adult. So setting cael un babi mwy. If you get one more baby in between, un babi mwy cyn penblwydd Mai. One baby in between Mai's birthday and then, you know. Don't worry. Somebody's sorting that out already. Betty, do we need to actually do anything for you? No. I don't think we can age the baby up either. Can you bet pack even career ochdi? What even career were you? Cook 2 meals well inspired. Okay. I think I'll just leave skill points. So view. Need gyda need bwyd ar pawb. You can do food for everybody. Yeah. So Envis is in work. You're focused. You can. So Crystal's doing that. So mae'n iawn. No idea why I can't play Crystal. Dwi'n gallu chwarae Crystal, but they are added to the household. So I don't think you want to be there in a sec. I'm needing paint here. Why don't you go and paint? And I'm gonna lock this one. Cariated. I don't know looking for the household, but I think this one. Hwn yw cyfrifiadur. That is my computer, so. Okay. My ti'n dod I fyny trwsio. Are you please are you coming up to fix it? Yes. I know. They're making food. I don't know what's happening here. Crystal. Why can't I? Can I take the baby off of them? Is this just glitched? Actions. I might have to finish this episode early. I can ask you to leave. I'm gonna ask you to leave and maybe ella that way. Actually, Hugo, can you ask them to leave? Because yeah, you're not directly related. Yeah, you're the one that check in on Crystal. Nah, where was it? Ask to hold the baby. Thank you. And then put Coridwin to bed because they need sleep. ddylsen nhw gweithio. I want to say that's going to work. Sometimes it's a little glitchy with the infants and stuff. Mae'n cymryd eiliad. What? Be ti'n neud? What? Don't, just put Ceridwen. Maen nhw ar llawr. Then floor, put Ceridwen to bed. Please. Before my Ceridwen cael gun ffôn. Before Ceridwen gets taken away, please. Oh, why do the Sims do this with the infants? Pam maen nhw'n neud hyn efo infants? I do not know why. Okay, so be ti Anna, so ti'n cael sortio. You're mopping that up. Why don't you come down here? Miliad. A cael bwyd. Open mic night, and it says stumbled upon open mic at the local coffee house. Might be a good chance to make sausage so they went over with a couple of well-known cover songs. Stick to covers for now. Grab a serving, and then come talk to your husband. Complain about love life. You are literally, you know, trotty. You're married to this man.
Jim Wibsey.
Little kiss to him. So something of being fighted. Panty shop. Yeah.
Ugh, funny.
Tiena'n cysgu hefyd. I think after this, I think you should try for a baby. Oh, did he do that? Oh, this is a problem with too many Sims. Oh. Oh, bud, you okay? Bud just like plummeted in that. It was a thump. Therein. Yeah. Okay. Oh, okay. Check that out in a second. Bird just went something against my window. I dare him into something over ffenestri. So I was playing the scenarios the other day, and I had a scenarios to reply, and I never thought about playing the Sim scenarios. So scenarios are little, scenarios bach. Little scenarios in Sims4 you can play, and I didn't realise if you click on them here, you can get them to work harder and stuff like that. I chwarae yn I gweithio'n galetach a pethau fel 'na. I only realised that once I played the scenario. I thought that was really cool. So the scenarios are quite handy for like little bits like that. Pethau bach fel hynna. Computer settings. Lock computer. Everyone but Mike. That's your personal one. Because it's just gonna get really hard in the dyfodol otherwise. Aspiration points. Ti yn neud thingy. Okay. Ti'n gwaith. Ti yn you're doing that. Ti'n neud hynna. A wedyn ti'n cael bwyd. I have no idea what's happening with Crystal. Grab a serving. Dim beth sy'n digwydd efo Crystal.
Finia Payfim. Scoomba Watanabe.
Malinee.
Yes,
Is my Crystal dal in the Crystal's still in the house clearly.
Kaba Dizzy Inja. Oh, ho.
Okay, in it, I have no idea what's happening. It's taken a long time today. I'm so really here i just cael pethau neud heddiw.
Sombra, Bunkaru.
Bonji.
Oops, you're clean.
Vitor.
Great
Salopa.
so.
Tribal, Dorm.
Yano Zorpal.
Awavine.
Yik.
Lunch.
Okay, ti'n neud o. So, hopefully she'll have another baby in the way. Gobeithio ni'n cael babi arall ar ffordd. I want to say we have enough Sims. I think we've got enough Sims for it. We've got enough space. We've got enough lle. I think we have enough Sims in the household to look after them. I want to say so anyway. Yeah, give me cysgu. You can go sleep after this. Oh, honestly, sorry, too many Sims. Kurt, did you get a meal, cook a meal once? Is it Galvin? Did you get that? You didn't. Okay. I'm gonna try and get the aspirations as well, so you can get really handy stuff. Team member flower, but you can get like services and stuff for free. I think honestly, take off that services and them. I think honestly that's going to be really handy later on, then really handy wedding. Oh, not the priodas. I think the wedding has got rid of the. Oh no, Inia, don't do that. I think the wedding has got rid of everybody's sadness. No, mae pawb ddim yn drist am gorna priodas. That's weird, but okay. Try hwnna allan. I don't know why the fire is constantly on. Sleep. Everybody sleeps. And we will age up Crudwen. You. You. Guilty. I don't know why, instead of just going to sleep, they have coffee. Dwi ddim yn gwybod pam. They just don't. Pam maen nhw'n gallu when like they don't need to if they don't go sleep. I really don't know why. I think I do kind of the same in real life. Dwi'n bron yn peth yn bod go iawn. So yes, sweet. So we have baby number 2 on the way. Don't paid a different Kurt. Just go sleep. I think it's fine. Wake him up in the morning. Like, does cascade. Go to sleep. Wake him up and be like, hey, darling Bobby, there's a baby on the way. Okay, so cool. I'm hoping it's just one as well. Dwi'n gobeithio ma'n just in. I don't have like any mods or anything set in, because dwi'n gallu exam PlayStation. The Envis, that is thingy, and I need to try and sort out why the whole yeah, okay, sweet. So Envis, Cloti got married and promoted. Oh, that's cool. So so 31. What do you need for you? We got that. You need 2 level 3 in comedy skill. Okay, a T, and then thingy. No. How many points do you have? You only have 800. But ti'n mynd with gant, so ti'n gallu cael savant. Savant is really handy. Honestly, just dos i cysgu. Go sleep. Everybody sleep through. We age up the little one. I do have a toddler. Yeah. Tina, bud, you need food when you wake up, and then you're gonna be we'll do cake, and then we'll get it sorted. It was even like just normal, just even when I have a plan, in a pen with a plan, my pethau dal mynd yn chaotic, because it's course for summer. Then go toilet, Hugo. Honestly, man, I think it's worth just the Sims different. I think it's worth just Sims waking up before the other Sims so they can go toilet. Oh, do I need another toilet? I might just put a potty in here to potty train them, because no, I don't think this design through. We should design a metro as. We might need a downstairs toilet. Canon toilet, so Grisha. Okay, Hugo, Tiana. Do you need anything? No, Tiana Cusky. You're good. You need funds. Pan i di'n mynd lawr a peintio ganol nos, because, you know, why not? Because you're gonna... Okay, so you... No, good. Di dal ti'n bach amser ar ôl. You still got a bit of time left. So, os ti'n mynd I hwn, how long have you got? I think you should get fed by... You got money then?
Lindy.
Adopt as caregiver? Oh, they're really cute. But when I need, what does that do? I'd have to look more into it. Okay, T Defra. What are your skills as well? See, that's sometimes honestly just doing the peidio ma'n hawsach I neud pethau efo just toddler or infant doing it because they'll instantly do it and they just sort of awkwardly they all witched and awkwardly they like awkwardly wait. Then bored. Why don't you have a bubble bath? Cael bubble bath fan'na. We'll get your needs then, because we ignored, da ni 'di ignore your needs chdi ar gyfer dipyn bach. So if we get, you know, just some stuff, some toys out I chdi chwarae. So if we just, like, needs bach, yr un bach, we do the needs for the little one. So I think Danny wedi gadael nhw ar gyfer tipyn bach, so os da ni'n hyn, I don't know if it's worth getting a second one just for bathroom because it's going to be 2 toddlers. Mae'n efo 2 toddler a pawb yn mynd i'r toilet because everybody's going to need to go to the loo as well. Honestly, ddim siwr. Botel. Oh, hwnna di malu. I don't know beth digwyddodd. I have no idea why that was a thing. Why is the fire not out? Pan di tân ddim allan? Just place that and just cael lle. Okay, so Okay, be mae pawb angen? T angen P. Everybody's just woken up. Pawb wedi just deffro. Is that a coffee cup i'r eiliad? Why is there a coffee cup there?
Indaki. Indaki. So.
Why is everybody going to the toilet? Pam mae why is it? Oh, why is everybody like this? Pam mae pawb fel hyn? Pause it. Why Sims? Pam mae ti fel hyn? Okay, can you just just play for a little bit. Just chwarae fel hwn dipyn bach. Yeah, I know. Dwi'n gwybod maen nhw'n... Okay. I have no idea why mae hwnna di glitchio allan. So I've used the diaper, but then... Dwi'n gwybod. Baby's not stinky or anything. Dwi'n really ddim yn dall na. I really don't get that.
Search. Ninip.
Okay, pause. Pan ti ddim, be ti angen? Bwyd, come down here. Just get leftovers gyfer one. Kurt needs to cook food. Mae Kurt angen cookie bwyd. Ti, iawn, you're fine. Kurt, go pee. Why are you... Use. Pam, what is the issue here? Then I want you to... Can you cook? Bet ti angen wneud bwyd neis? Do you need... I don't know. So that's all sorted. Mae'n i gael sortio. Right, no idea. I have no idea what's happening. Or Jenna, no. Why don't you go ar ôl hynna? Did hynna, that's what you're doing that. Why don't you go play with pan ni dim chwarae efo hwn tan da ni'n trawn cacan? Oh, by the way, play. Do. Okay, I think everybody's fine. Dwi'n meddwl mae pawb yn iawn. I think everybody's fine now. Mae yna some form o ordor. Some form of order in the house. You know? Oh, dyna ti malu, so you need to fix that. Going to show hwnna. And then we're gonna get cut to TNMP mewn eiliad, ti'n iawn. We're gonna get na chdi to cook a birthday cake cacan sydyn ar gyfer Enwys. We age them up and I think just chaos. I should hopefully be fine. Hugo's with Crate One. Sorry, Crate One. Hugo of a Crate One. How do people do it when they do like the 100 baby challenges? So no people need to know about 100 baby challenge. TNMP one eiliad. So let's get UP here. I don't know why it's not letting me move So, os dim yn gadael fi, dal dim yn gadael mi. If it's still not letting me move crystal in, I might have to just do it off stream. Offline. I might have to just move crystal in offline. Because that's really annoying while it's not letting me. Don't really gadael mi. February just efo gwaith. 10 hours, so we need to get comedy. Which I think the... So take out bwyd gynta, get some food first. Okay, so...
Ya voy.
I think I'll just get that. What's the baby doing? Baby's doing... Tianan, cause you need sleep. Don't try go night night. Get put to bed by you. Cause ti'n mynd in bed. Na, ti'n yn shower. Mop. Oh, I didn't. We're gonna age this up, and it's fine. Try it. Okay. Talk over relationship fears. Okay. Oh, Doral, that's new. I don't really have had that before. Oh, you're gonna be annoying. I need to use the computer in a second. Why is Pause try to turn on? I need to know who puts the fire on. Pause it. Put this in your inventory. Inventory chdi ar gyfer one while the baby's asleep. Actually, before the baby's cyn baby, cause let's just get toddler now out the way. Kurt. I had birthday candles and Carl. Does that work for my? Oh, okay, yeah, well, I only need. Oh, do you want me to gwaith? Okay, you go work. I did not know you had to go work. Does gwaith? Okay, so we are going to be left with Claire Mahdi. Don't go sleep. I want you to blow out candles and then everybody's going to go work. But we'll have you aged up and and that is the main thing. It's going to happen when everybody else is away. But it's been a chaotic bit. Mudbod and Dan chaotic, so we are just gonna do that for now. So my curtain gwaith. Do you say you got that? Curty, you're doing that.
So what to do? In a bed.
So I'm gonna eat lovely idea chdi fyny. And then we're gonna have more babies on the way. Come with babies, so it's gonna get as chaotic. Okay, let's random age this up. You're Wiggly, okay. Infantry, Betty Wiggly. Click on the Zen bone trait. See all the bonus traits in the Simology panel. Spent with toys exploring the world and learning to commercial skill building for future. Armor, started the communication skill fast and doing stuff in stranger danger from strangers. You share love with the Sims. Oh, okay, not cute. It's not as bad. It's not. I was expecting worse. Oh my god, the onesie. No. My onesie more cute. I'm gonna get you to take a photo. Because my onesie mat and adorable. Kids' clothes are really cute. Why can't adults have like cute clothes? Oh, look how cute! What cute! I love the onesie, my onesie and her girl. Next to the bin, but that's fine. So, yeah, so, I don't know what the next part's going to be. Ddim o gwbl be the next part's going to be fod. I'm going to try and get everybody reset. For pawb wedi cael ei resetio. Got another baby in the way. I'm going to try and save this, and then get Crystal into the household, because I've got Pam. I don't know why that's not working. And then I don't know, ella after the second baby is here, we might have to move him out, ella some nhw allan i'r tŷ arall, and we will do makeover houses. So yeah, dwi'n mynd dipyn bach chaotic. It's a little bit chaotic, I do apologise. Diolch I pawb sydd bod on live stream. Thank you everybody's been on live stream. Diolch I pawb sydd wedi gwylio ar y VOD. Thank you to everybody's watched on the VOD. I hope you stay safe. Pawb cadw'n saff wherever lle dach chi. Stay safe where you are. You have a lovely time. Keep hydrated, you know, look after yourself. Dach chi'n chwil eich hun. I don't know when this will be up. I've started streaming more the builds over on Linux Creative. I've been doing the Tableau builds over there. The Cardiff Castle build. Like I said, Bob Dame in the Sims gallery as Linux Creative. Got a castle lounge thing. Lle nath ni priodi Plas Awen. So yeah, diolch am ddod. Dwi'n gobeithio chi cael y saff. I hope you keep safe, and I will see you next time. Na i gweld chi tro nesa, whenever that will be. Bywyd stuff. We'll try and do it this next week. Dwi'n trio neud wythnos nesa, because everything's calmed down now. Ond diolch I pawb am ddod, diolch am patience chi, and I hope you all stay safe. Cadw'n saff pawb.